Okay, we'll let this side set up for a bit. So now we're going to put our next piece on. So we're going to line this up where it goes. You're going to try to make your neck where it should be. Mark this. And we'll glue this, we'll clamp it, let it set for an hour or so, and then we can add the next piece on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Check this, make sure we have this where we want it. And then we'll clamp this down. We'll clamp it loosely at first, it's going to slip and slide a little bit. And we'll get this clamp set aside, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.